Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Earla Tec replacement audio cable cord for Bose headphones. This cable is a game changer, offering compatibility with various Bose models, including QC45, QC35-2, QC35, QC25, NC700, OE2, OE2i, SoundLink, and SoundTrue. The 1.4mm TPU cable is not only soft and durable but also tango-resistant, making it a practical choice for on-the-go use. Its 3.5mm to 2.5mm male-to-male connectors feature 24K gold plating for clear stereo sound, providing a seamless audio experience. The straight-shaped plugs make it a breeze to connect to devices like Apple iPhones, Samsung phones, iPads, iPods, MP3 players, MP4 players, laptops, PCs, and more. What I love about this cable is its hassle-free operation. Just plug and play, no fuss. Whether you're into music or on a call, the Earla Tec cable ensures a reliable connection. The compatibility with a wide range of devices makes it versatile for various situations. The 100% customer satisfaction guarantee from Earla Tec is a standout feature. Even after the guarantee date, they promise to stand by their customers, offering excellent service. It's reassuring to know that they are ready to address any concerns. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable replacement audio cable for your Bose headphones, the Earla Tec 3.5mm to 2.5mm cable is worth considering. It's a practical, durable, and versatile solution that enhances your audio experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.